Hi again, and I'm here to discuss the step 9, okay, worksheet 9, which we call the sustainability and next steps. Of course, in all the steps, if you have noticed, the sustainability part is always considered and factored in. But this time, this is very explicit. You have to consider what are the factors that will make your program sustainable. Okay, so one question that you need to answer for this step or for this worksheet is, how do you scale up? Okay, if you are good, if you think that your program is now working, if you think that your program is benefiting or has an impact to the university, to the students, and to the bigger society, how do you scale up so that you can reach out more people, more areas, more areas that needs your assistance, that needs your help. How do you scale up in terms of implementation, in terms of developing the knowledge, the competencies of the students? Okay, so those are the questions in scaling up. And then second is, what are the possible research questions that you can ask the program implementers, you yourselves as program coordinators, or those who helped in operationalizing the program. Okay, so research questions on leadership theories, research questions on the program itself, no? So what have been done so far, what worked, what did not work, those can be part of the research questions, or possible questions that you can ask the team or the group. And then what made the program relevant? So on the relevance of the program, is it really relevant, or are you just stating it or just claiming it because you're now enjoying implementing the program, or because you can now really see that it has benefits not only to the students or as to you as the facilitators or the faculty, but also the university and the communities, no, around your university or in the city where you are situated. Okay, and then you can also ask about the emerging challenges, okay, in your area where your university is located, and so that you're able to respond to what leadership theories that you want to that you want to employ, so that these emerging challenges can be responded to. Okay, so of course, if there are emerging challenges, what are the emerging leadership theories that you can see that you can actually integrate in your program in terms of scaling up, no? And then the following year or in the next 2 or 3 years. Okay, so and then probably when you have identified this, and if there are things that have changed in terms of leadership theories and in terms of leadership acts, okay, maybe you can now improve or develop your program goals, no? So what we're saying here is that we don't stick to the old one if there are changes or there are identified emerging challenges and emerging leadership theories in the area, and therefore there is a need for you to scale up, develop, enhance your program goals so that you are more appropriate, you are more becoming, or you are being relevant to the area where you are located, and you can respond immediately. You can respond to the emerging challenges in the area. So this is this is not just this is what we call adult learning theory. We are not just talking about the content, we are not just talking about the concept or the theory, but we are also looking at the applicability of the program and the theories that we teach to the students, and when we develop them for them to be able to respond effectively as leaders, not just as students, to the challenges of the area or the country, the bigger society. Okay, so I think that would be all for worksheet 8 or the step 9. Okay, thank you.